Hello, and welcome to day 3, Wednesday, May 26th. Let's see what you have to do for today. It is Wednesday, that means it's an async day. We will not have class on Zoom. However, I do have office hours, so I will be available from 7 to 8:30 to help with any thing with your evidence, POV, and claim. Now, I will talk to people individually, whoever comes in for the extra, for the help. So if you come in and you don't see me, I'm in a breakout room helping someone. So you'll have to wait until I pull you into a breakout room. So just be mindful. There might be a wait time. So if I take more than 5 minutes, just send me a text and I'll tell you when to come back. But please, please, please take advantage of these time, especially so I can look at your POV and help you with your claim and evidence. That way, we're finished with the introductory paragraph. Just let me know if you have any questions. Let's see what we have to do for async. So as you know, we're still continuing to work. So there are some people who still have not uploaded their 3 articles. So make sure you do that. Your evidence for your 3 articles and your POV and claim. So most of you should have already done these 3 and should be here. If not, you have already done it or you are here. So at least have done 3 of these, the first 5. Okay. Now, your next activity is a discussion on information and yes and no questions. So you're going to write yes and no questions for these 3 scenarios or information questions. For example, you see someone trip and fall down, you say, "Do you need help? How can I help you? Are you okay?" And you'll do questions for scenario 2 and 3 and post in the comment section. And that's it for today. Let me know if you have any questions. As always, good luck.